Hey everyone, it is Monday, August 14th, 1 week until school starts. I hope everybody's really excited. I know we are here. Still some final cleaning and other things being done. Some tile work being finished up in a couple of rooms. Hopefully those are all ready in the next week or so. But we can't wait to have everybody back. And so I just want to do a quick reminder on this Wednesday, the 16th, we have our open house. It is from 4:30 to 6:30. So that is kind of staggered between the elementary and the high school. So the elementary is 4 to 6. We are 4:30 to 6:30, and the high school is 5 to 7. So again, we hope to see you all here on Wednesday. We'll be around. Just happy to see a lot of smiling faces coming in. Be able to answer questions, anything that might come up. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy what's left of the summer, being able to be fun, have some fun and not be in school. And we, again, can't wait to see you on Wednesday.